watching the Text Control Getting Started tutorials. This video shows how to merge a simple template with JSON data to populate merge fields and create a PDF document from the results. To test this on your own, you will need to download the 30-day trial version from our website. We will start by creating a .NET Console application in Visual Studio. Choose a name and select .NET 8 as the framework. Now it is time to add the required TX Text Control NuGet package to the project. Select Text Control Offline Packages as the package source. Click Browse, select the ASP.SDK package, and click Install. In the next step, create a new folder called Data and create a new JSON file in it. Name this file data.json. For this example, we have prepared a simple JSON file with address data, which I simply copy and paste into the newly created file. To create the template, we will use the included TXWords demo application, which is basically a reference implementation of the TX Text Control functionality. In the Reporting tab, we open the created JSON file as a data source, which fills the dropdowns with the available merge fields. Now, insert some of the merge fields into the template. You can also design the entire document here, which is the unique advantage of TX Text Control. The What You See is What You Get editor experience in this application is also available as an online editor for your website, available for ASP.NET Core, Angular, or JavaScript. When we are satisfied with the template, we save it in the data folder we created earlier. For automated MailMerge, templates can be saved in TX Text Control format, Office Open, XML Doc, XDoc, or RTF. Back in Visual Studio, select both created files and set Copy to Output Directory to copy always. Now, open program.cs, remove the code, and create a using statement for a new instance of the ServerTextControl object. The template is loaded using the load method. The MailMerge class is used to merge the loaded JSON data into the template. Finally, the created document is exported to PDF. The concept behind MailMerge is simple, but very powerful. It loops through all the merge fields and tries to find matching values in the hierarchical data to replace the merge fields. MailMerge can also repeat sections based on nested levels of data. Let's compile and run the console application. Well, since it was all behind the scenes, there's not much to see here. But let's open the output directory to see if our generated PDF was saved. As you can see, there's a PDF document with the field values populated from our JSON data source. Find this and many other tutorials, articles, and best practices on our website www.textcontrol.com and browse our collection of tutorials. Thank you for considering Text Control for your document processing requirements.